If x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then find the value of root 2x plus 1 upon root 2x. Here, we have to find the value of this expression from the given value of x. Here, we have to calculate the value of root 2x plus 1 upon root 2x. So, from the given value of x, first of all, we have to calculate the value of root 2x and then the value of 1 upon root 2x. And then we can substitute their values here to calculate the value of this expression. So first of all, let us calculate the values of root 2x and 1 upon root 2x. Here, x is given, that is 2 plus root 3. Now first of all, we can multiply its both sides with 2 to calculate the value of 2x. So it becomes 2x is equal to 2 into 2 plus root 3. And in the next line, it becomes 2x is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into root 3. Now for 2 into root 3, we can write this as 2 into root 3 into 1, because 2 into root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3. And we can split 4 into root 3 square plus 1 square, because the sum of root 3 square and 1 square is 4. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. So we can write this as root 3 plus 1 whole square. Therefore, the value of 2x is equal to root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now from this we can calculate the value of root 2x. Now using square root on both sides, it becomes root 2x is equal to square root of root 3 plus 1 whole square. And the right hand side becomes root 3 plus 1. Therefore, the value of root 2x is root 3 plus 1. And from this, we can calculate the value of 1 upon root 2x. So, let us write the obtained value of root 2x here, which is equal to root 3 plus 1. Now, we have to calculate the value of 1 upon root 2x. Now, we can continue here. So, 1 upon root 2x is equal to 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Now we can rationalize its denominator by multiplying its numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator in the right hand side. So the right hand side becomes 1 upon root 3 plus 1. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3 minus 1 in this way. And now in the next line, it becomes root 3 minus 1 into 1 is root 3 minus 1 into 1 is root 3 minus 1. And in the denominator, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 square minus 1 square, because we know the product of a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 square minus 1 square. Now in the next line, it becomes root 3 minus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator, root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. So it is equal to root 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, the value of 1 upon root 2x is root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now let us write the value of 1 upon root 2x here. And this is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now we have to calculate the value of the given expression, that is root 2x plus 1 upon root 2x. Now let us put the obtained values of root 2x and 1 upon root 2x. And root 2x is equal to root 3 plus 1, plus for 1 upon root 2x we can put root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now we have to add these two numbers Here we can imagine there is 1 in the denominator, and the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1, 2 is a 2, and 2 into root 3 plus 1 for the first term. And for the second number, 2 1s are 2, and 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1. Now we can open bracket in the first number, 2 into root 3 plus 2 1s are 2. For the second number, it becomes root 3 minus 1, and there is 2 in the denominator. Now we can see in the numerator 2 root 3 and root 3 are there, so their sum is 3 root 3, and the difference of plus 2 and minus 1 is 1, and there is 2 in the denominator. So this is the value of the given expression. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.